Hey everyone, it's Howe and Nguyen. How's everyone all doing today? Alright guys, so today we're going to be going to a all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue in Sacramento, California. And today we're going to be going to this restaurant called the Blue House Korean Barbecue. And we're actually here during lunch, and the price is $25 per person. And here is the menu, guys. If you guys want to check it out in more detail, pause the video. Alright guys, so like I mentioned, we are here on a weekday lunchtime, all you can eat, $25 per person, and it's going to be extra if you guys want to buy drink. And it's pretty cool, guys. There's a robot that actually brings food for you. Alright guys, and if you guys have never been to a Korean all-you-can-eat barbecue, this is how it looks like. So in the menu, or their rules are, different location or different restaurant may have different rules. But at this location or this restaurant, you can get 2 appetizer and 3 types of meat per round. Alright, the cool robot again, guys. So what it does is it's going to bring you the food, and then once you're done, just press finish so it leaves you. Alright guys, so we're super hungry right now. We're gonna start grubbing, and make sure you guys stay toward the end of the video. I'm gonna give you guys my honest review, honest opinion, feedback, and ratings of this Korean barbecue restaurant. It's called the Blue House Korean Barbecue in Sacramento. Man, these ramen right here are delicious, guys. So if you guys come here, you guys better try out their ramen. right, guys, and once again, if you guys have not ever been to a all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue, this is how it looks like right here. And each restaurant may have their own rules, okay? Like I mentioned earlier, at this restaurant, they allow you to get 2 appetizer and 3 types of meat at one time or one round. And then once you're almost done, you can call them and they can give you a second round, third round, fourth round. Eat as many as you want or as much as you want for the same price, 25 bucks, which I think is a very, very good deal, guys. Very good deal here. And are you guys ready for my honest opinion, honest rating, feedback of this restaurant? You guys ready? All right, guys, so the food here overall was really good. The service was excellent, okay? And the price, I believe, is super worth it, okay? You eat a couple pieces of meat, you eat a couple of appetizer, and it pays for itself, and it's totally worth it. All right, guys, so you guys ready for my ratings? I'm gonna give this this restaurant here a solid 9 out of 10, guys. This restaurant, this Korean barbecue, all you can eat, is totally worth it. All right, so if you guys have never tried it before, go give it a try. But also don't just go by my word. You know I said that it's really good, but you guys got to go here and try it for yourself to experience it for yourself, okay? Because the time that I was there, the day that I was there, everything was excellent. So I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10, which is a really good score. And we will come back to this restaurant again next time. It's very recommended, but like I said, you got to try it out to know it for yourself. All right, guys, that's it. The rest of the video, we're just gonna sit and eat. If you guys have any questions or comment, leave them down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing, okay, guys? It doesn't cost you a penny to subscribe, but it helps out my channel greatly, and I really appreciate you all. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.